Oh, Good Friday, typical bank holiday, dull, never mind. I've got a few little jobs to do in my house. I just got up, I made myself a cappuccino and some porridge. I'm gonna watch TV for a bit. I'll watch YouTube, have a look on there. I like the overlap with Roy Keane, Jamie Carragher, Jill Scott, Gary Neville. I'm not so keen when Wayne Rooney's on because he mumbles too much and I can't understand what he's on about. So I'm going to watch that. I think it's an episode with Duncan Ferguson, who's talking about the 8 red cards he got. So I'll watch that for an hour or so, and then I'm going to do a few little jobs around my house. Here's my little cat. Come on then. Come for some Greek yogurt. Come on, I'll get you some yogurt. She loves Greek yogurt. There we are, Greek yogurt in an old pie tin. Yeah, I don't know. The porridge with some raspberries. Cappuccino. Let's get in there and put my feet up. Okay Google, can you play Jerusalem by the Ice Factory please?
Every boy and girl got a gun, they gotta do their thing. Aim it at someone, fly the flags and banners, revolution every day. Little boys and girls should just play. It's nothing what you read or what you see when there are 20,000 fingers pointing at me. It's nothing what you read or what you see, 20,000 fingers pointing down on me. It's true, see us in, and to nobody else, and we'll both find a place called Jerusalem. Oh, the truth, see us in, and to nobody else, and we'll both find a place called Jerusalem.
Now then, where are we? We're going to do a little bit of macro photography. I'm going to set it up on my table. I'm going to get a couple of plants from the garden, and I've been watching a few YouTube channels. Let me show you the best way to focus stack. So let's get these tea towels and all that off there. And I will go, put them on there, and get a couple of plants. Put these off the old apple tree. And get this plant. Right, I've got 3 different flowers, so let's get to work and sorting something out with them. Right, as you can see, I have set this little flower up, and I'm taking this flower here. I have focused on the very bottom of the petal. I've got a 5-second timer on. I'm at stop f2.8 ISO 250, and it's slightly underexposed because of the white which is off the wall over there. So I'm going to take a picture, move a little bit, take a picture and go right across the flower, and then combine them in Photoshop. I only took 8 shots, I don't want to get carried away at this point, but that is a final shot. And if I move through, you can see the focus shifting over the 8 shots. So I will combine that later on.